Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Keshri. In this session, we will learn about list. Lists are used to group together related pieces of information so they are clearly associated with each other and easy to read. For creation of list, we use list tag. It is a container tag. There are three types of list in HTML. First one is unordered list, second one is ordered list, and third one is definition list. Now, see unordered list. We can use UL tag for unordered list. This tag defines the bulleted list of items. The li tag is nested inside ul tag and define each item within the list. Both ul and li tags are container tags. Now open your text editor and write some code for right here html head title, then write list here, close title tag, close head tag. Now open body tag. Write here bg color equals to orange. Now use h1 for heading. Right here CPU parts. Close h1 tag. Now write ul for unordered list. Right here li alu, close li tag, write li cu center unit, close li tag, and then write li mu memory unit and close li tag. Now close ul tag, close body tag, and finally close html tag. Now save it. Save it using list.html. Now run this list.html. See here it is a list with bullet here. Okay, this is unordered list. Right here one more heading. Right here computer language. Now close h1, open ul tag, write li c, close li, write li c plus plus, close li, write li java, close li, open li, write python, close li tag. Now close ul tag. Save it and refresh it. See, now we have two listed items. One is CPU parts and one is computer language. Okay. Now We can change the symbol of bullet as by default it is disk. See here the bullet symbol is a disk. You can change it to circle or square. Just write here inside UL, write type equals to square and write here, save it and run it. See now this disk bullet changed to square bullet. Now write here type equals to and write here circle. Save it and run it. See now the disk bullet changed to circle bullet. Okay, now see ordered list. We use OL tag for ordered list. This tag is used to put items in a numbered list instead of bulleted. The numbering is start with 1 and incremented by 1 for each successive ordered list item. The LI tag is nested inside OL tag. Now just delete it and do here OL. Save it and run it. See now here is numbering. This is OL tag, ordered list. Write here also OL. Save it and run it. See here is numbering 1 2 3 4. Okay, we can change the symbol to numbering as default case number, which is 1 2 3, which is by default, uppercase number, lowercase number, uppercase letter, lowercase letter. Now right here type and write small I. Save it, run it. See now it is lowercase numeral. Okay, right here type equals to capital I. Save it. See now it is uppercase numeral. You can also change this numeral to letter. Write here small a. Save it. See now here is small letter ABC. Change it to capital A. Save it. Refresh it. See now it is capital ABCD. You can also start this numbering with C or D. Just write here start equals to, write here 3. 3 means C. Save it. See now the numbering is starting from C. Okay, now move to another list, which is definition list. We use DL tag for creation of definition list. This tag allows us to create a list of items with its definition. There are 3 tag elements used in this list. DL tag, which defines the list. DT tag defines the term. DD tag give data definition or definition of the term. Okay, Now remove it and write here, write first DL, then write DT and write HTML. Now DD and give here definition for HTML. Write here HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, now again write DT tag and write RAM. Now write DD. It stands for random access memory. Okay, now again write DT and write here CPU. Write DD and write CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Now close TL tag, save it. Now refresh. See, this is definition list where this is your term and this is definition of your term. HTML is term and HTML stands for hypertext markup language is definition of this HTML. Friends, in this session we saw about list. If you have any problem with this list, then knock me on comment section. Thank you.